Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Now I will show you and tell you how to copy a link to YouTube channel from a mobile device. Please watch the video to the end. Subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. To do this, we need to go to the YouTube application on iPhone or Android. Further, in the upper right corner, click on your profile. I have it in the bottom right corner. Click on your profile again. And here at the top, we click on the three dots. Click on Share and click on Copy Link. After that, we were able to copy the link to our YouTube profile. If we want to copy it to someone else's channel, we click on Say Home. Here we'd scroll down. We find a video. We go to that channel, say Here. Now in the right corner, click on the three dots. Again, click Share. And here we click Copy Link. After that, we were able to copy the link, and now we can go to any browser or send to some person. Click Copy and Paste. If you liked this video and it helped you, you can subscribe to the channel. Put a like. In this video, I showed you and told you how you can copy a link to your YouTube channel using your mobile device. Goodbye.